This is another Christmas in July video, and today I am going to tackle another page from my December daily using this little sketch as the inspiration. So maybe a week and a half ago, I was looking through my old chipboard negatives from my letters, and I made a couple of different base pages, and I deliberately made this page for this sketch. So as you can see, the sketch is using only numbers, but I didn't have numbers, so I decided to use this, and it was almost the perfect size, so that worked out really well. The sketch has everything painted white, and this is mostly white, but the letters themselves had a bit of like a distress effect on them, and I feel like I want to make it all more uniform. So I grabbed my gesso, and I also grabbed some mother of pearl structured gel. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I'm going to end up painting this whole thing white. So this sketch is using a little star, but I think I'm going to use my not so thick snow globe that I made. I was contemplating using this one, but it's quite chunky by comparison, and this is already a very thick page. So the plan is to do this and wrap it probably with some red and white twine, or maybe blue, we'll see how we go, and then add a little tag, something like that. So it's going to look a lot like the sketch, with a few little modifications. So I will put you on fast forward while I get gessoing. Is that even a verb? I don't know. I think it is now. All right, friends, I will be right back. So I am filming this voiceover probably a week after the fact, and I have a little furry friend next to me, so sorry if you can hear any sort of snuffling. Yeah, I end up very happy with this page, and it's making me really feel like I need to use more white in my December daily, and I think just in my everyday scrapbooking. I love the way a layout looks when you've got white in it. It just feels like it's a good place to rest your eyes. So, and I think the texture in this made it not quite so boring. I don't really think it picks up as well on camera as it does in person, like so many things, but yeah, and the distressing I was worried about, but in the end I really like how it ended up looking. So yeah, I'm just kind of dabbing the gesso on some of those distress spots just to kind of help cover up. It was a really light distress, and it was like an olivey green color, so in the end it probably wouldn't have been a big deal if I had left it, but it didn't really go with my vision for the page. So you can just see me kind of putting a little bit here and there, and then looking to see if I need more. So that's kind of what you're watching me do here. Not terribly exciting. I am still waiting for my December daily Christmas in July order to come. Where I live, orders that come from scrapbook.com usually take anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. So by the time it clears customs and all that good stuff, it's usually closer to a month. So I will be posting that video when I get all my fun new supplies. But for now, I'm using what I have, and it looks like I'll be right back to you. So one coat of gesso didn't do a whole lot. You can still see the distressing in some spots. I might just leave it, actually. It toned it back a little bit, but the page is getting pretty warped. So I'm gonna, do I dare try with the mother of pearl? I think I will. All right, I'm gonna clean this and I'll be right back. All right, so I dried this off camera using my heat gun. Now I think I might just test a patch in the middle with the mother of pearl, because that's basically where this is going to go anyway. So I might just do a little test and see if it's going to be cute or if it's going to just make a massive mess. Because on the package, this says that it dries silvery white and slightly transparent with an intense mother of pearl shimmer. So it's got like pastel green, silvery white, and violet, as you can see here. Well, actually, I don't know if you can pick up on that, but yeah, I'm going to do some painting and then dry it, and then I will be right back. Alrighty. Well, it's definitely more iridescent. Even though I hit it with the heat gun, it still looks wet, but there's a couple of little sticky spots, but it's pretty much dry. So, mother of pearl. All right. Okay, I am going to grab some twine and probably my hot glue gun, and I'll be right back. I end up just putting a very simple knot on this. I was toying with the idea of wrapping the twine around the full page and not just around my little snow globe, but I felt like I didn't really know what my plans for the other side of the page were, and I didn't want to have the twine be in the way. Let me know if you have a way that you do a wrap like that without having the twine be all bumping on the back. I'd love to know your tips and tricks. So I'm just hot gluing this down, as I said, because the page behind it is really textured, and now with the mixed media on it, I didn't trust anything except hot glue. So, and I'm just going to put a little hole in that tag, and I threaded through some more of that red twine, and I'm tying it on just like a gift tag. And I'll probably end up putting some sort of other word or subtitle on this page when I'm closer to December. We'll see how we go. Okay, I think I'm almost done. I want to do something here. I should probably put holes in this first. Okay, I'll be right back. So here I am. I pulled a bunch of different twines that I have. And I was really trying to make something happen with the little pom-pom trim. But in the end, I just go a lot simpler. I didn't want to add to the bulk of the page. Okay, friends, I'm back. I had toyed with the idea of putting some trim or something here. But in the end, I decided just to leave it. Because the other side, I don't know what I want to do with it yet, and I didn't want to have the trim here and get in the way. So if I change my mind, then that's fine. But for now, I just decided to grab some Christmas-ish washi tapes and just layer them on the side here. And I don't think I did anything else really off screen, but you can see it's just a little shimmery. I hope the camera's picking that up. Looks like it might be. So yeah, it's a bit distressed in the background, but I'm fine with that. And there's the original sketch, so it's pretty darn close. And in the end, I think I'm pretty happy I didn't go with the dimensional snow globe, because I think it would have been just way too much. All right, friends, as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Enjoy your December and July. No, enjoy your Christmas in July. All right, bye for now.